for offering me this opportunity. So, good afternoon, all. Myself, Aprajita. Welcome to online demo on building a permission system for BBMP under ease of doing business. So, here I am going to explain new features we are covering in the new ODB system. So, in this new system, it is basically a single window clearance system. Uh, it means we have included all the NOC department. Sorry. It means we have included all the NOC department whichever required for construction permits. So here now applicant don't have to go each NOC department for applying NOC individually. So earlier applicant had to go each NOC department for applying NOC, but now we have provided one common application form. We have integrated all the applicable central government NOC, state government NOC, and internal department with BBMP. So for this, we have come with one common application for all the department, like along with plan section applicable application form and all applicable NOC department as well. So applicant can fill all the applicable NOC department application form along with BBMP form in one submission only. And they can also do single payment either through NEFT or RTGS or online payment. And we have also provided the most important new features, that it architect self scrutiny process for the end of the architect. And for officer site, one joint site inspection provided, that is pre-notified by the system with one single common date for site inspection. So this is the BBMP portal from where you can submit the application to get construction permit or commencement certificate or occupancy certificate. So we can see home page. In this home page, we have provided various features like FAQs, circulars, download and manuals, fee calculator, gallery, contact us. So here we can see the frequently asked question by applicants. So it will be related to BBMP or other NOC department such as fire, KSBCB, BWSSB, SIA, NMA. And here in the circulars, in the circulars, these are you can get various circular issued by the department time by time. So we have already provided for the upload these circulars, and also provided along with these circulars quick access to other department which are related to BBMP. And this one is a fee, online fee calculator. So now applicant can check expected amount of fees whatever they have to pay for the proposal without submitting the proposal for all the department, including this BBMP fees or other applicable NOC department where payment is involved. By simply entering some like guidance value or number of dealings, use of building, like some relevant field, just enter some relevant field and you can get the expected amount. Then this is the dashboard. Dashboard will give you the overview of the project, and from the online payment, applicant can make payment for the application form, as well as you can pay for BBMP registration fees. And from the search button, user can search for progress of their application by filling some information like file number, name of the applicant, architect, site engineer, survey number, etc. And from here registration, from here professional can register himself in BBMP. Earlier we are providing only login, But now we can registered online, and owner and builder also have to register here. So now I'm going to show the procedure ki how architect can professional can apply for construction permit. To create a project, click on project action, then click on new project. Then here some tab will be open like general information, applicant information, plot parameters, building details, project library, geolocation. So you have to fill all the information. So like then click on save. So project info saved successfully. Then applicant information. In the applicant information, professional can select already registered owner. Then click on save. Then go to consultant and select structural engineer or supervisor. Then click on save. Then go to plot parameters. Under the site info, you have to fill the plot direction. Then plot details. Fill all checklists as per your requirement. Then next step is building details. In floor details. These are the some documents like title deed, khata extract, khata certificate. You have to attach all the documents. Okay, then after attaching all the required documents, go to geolocation, and here you have to mark your plot location with the help of geolocation. Then click on submit proposal. So now file number has been generated for this project. Click on OK, then go to dashboard. Now for create application, click on application and create application. And here you have to select your project, then permission type, then case type, and create application. So we have already filled till project library. So after that, you have to fill like TDR information, drawing, NOC, apply document, and site visit checklist. So just fill relevant information regarding this TDR and metro corridor. For drawing attaching, applicant have to registered in have to registration in the rule body. So for this registration process, first click on the one-time activation, and you have to pay one-time activation fee, that is only 1000 rupees. After that, step 2 is you have to download AutoDCR software, and then you have to install in your system. Then you can one license key will be generate. This one license key, you have to copy this license key and you can paste in your system. After that, you can eligible for the attach drawing, and you can scrutinize your drawing. So from here, from the drawing, click on get started, then attach your prepared pre-DCR drawing. So now we see how to run auto DCR. For this, click on run scrutiny. Then click on open BPAMS. Now auto DCR is opening. So you have to select AutoCAD version. If in your system only one AutoCAD, so you can save as set as default. Now AutoCAD is opening. It takes some time to open Auto DCR. Like this is the process you can check the uh, drawing through self scrutiny. You can compare with the bylaws, and you can reduce the number of shortfall by this process. Click on OK. First, system will check pre-DCR drafting verification, then auto DCR. Now uploading pre-DCR report. After pre-DCR report has uploaded, click on OK for run auto DCR. Click on OK, then again OK. Now uploading auto DCR scrutiny report. Okay, then after scrutinize the drawing, report will be automatically go to server. So just click on OK, file successfully sent to server. Close AutoCAD drawing. So here is question, have you completed your drawing scrutiny? So click on yes. After that, here you can see the scrutiny report. Scrutiny report has generated. Report has generated. So just check the failed list and your scrutiny report. If all the bylaws or rules complies, okay, then you can proceed for print PDF option. For print PDF option, you have to click on proceed. And if your scrutiny reports are not as per rule, so you can delete from here drawing and then key you can redraft your drawing as per the rules, and then again you can attach and run the drawing. So proceed for print PDF option. Again click open Behance. So first option come as praying for printing layout. Click on OK. Then do you want to plot drawing sheet for printing? Click on yes. Okay. So here system will provide three options: manual by single click or automatically. So if you click on automatically, then just click on OK. Select page setup. For selection page setup, click on modify. Select paper size, drawing orientation, plot style table, unit, and then click on OK. Then click on close. So system will arrange the sheet. Okay. So here, do you want to convert the current drawing to PDF? You can click on yes, but here I am showing the manual option also. So I'm clicking on no. So select manual. Here in the right side, you can get plot details, area statement, slide plan in the type of entry summary. So click, select all the option and move to paper one. Then you can get the floor details or block details in block. Then again move, select paper and move. For large drawing, you can add a number of, you can add page from here and you can delete page from here. Then click on OK. For then select page setup by clicking on modify. For multiple number of page, make sure all paper setup should be same and paper size should be also same, and just check drawing orientation should be correct, like portrait or landscape. Then click on close. Then click outside this page. Click on OK. Do you want to convert drawing to PDF? click on OK. Sorry, no, because we didn't arrange this sheet. First, we have to arrange this sheet. Just I'm arranging. After arranging the sheet, click on here, PDF converting, and then click on yes. Then click on OK for file successfully sent to server. Close. So click on yes. Have you generated drawing PDF? See here, now you can see the PDF. After that, you have to click on confirm for proceed. Drawing finalized successfully. Then click on checkout. Click on yes. After that, you can sign the drawing PDF from here. Then go to apply NOC. Here are three options: yes, no, and not applicable. Uh, uh, if you want to apply for NOC, you have to click on no, and this, for example, this NOC is not applicable for your project. Then you have to click on NA, and when you have already NOC from any department, then click on yes and attach that NOC certificate. So I am selecting for one NOC department. Then click on save. Here common application will be generated for NOC. Fill the relevant information. Then click on save. From here view NOC, you can see the NOC status. Then go to the document checklist. These are the mandatory documents that one you have to attach here. This one is NOC department documents. So after attaching this document, you can further proceed for site visit checklist. For EODP application, professionals should have visit site visit and he should be shine on the inspection checklist. Then click on save. Then submit. So from here, a professional have to shine on the site inspection checklist, and from the site progress, he has to attach the photographs of the site visit. We also provided to attach video, but that one is not mandatory. Okay. After that, you can submit your application to the BBMP. So click on submit application. So after click on submit information, the pop-up come, please pay challan. So here challan details have been generated. So you have to pay initial amount. After that, you can submit your application to the BBMP. Thank you.